Hey everyone, if you are trying to lose body fat but you are worried about losing your hard-earned muscle in the process, this video is for you. Today we are breaking down the exact science and strategy behind burning fat while preserving and even building muscle. Whether you are cutting, leaning out for summer, or just trying to improve your overall body composition, this guide is going to help you to do it the smart way. The number one mistake most people do. Let's start with what most people do wrong. The typical fat loss approach. Go hard on cardio, eat like a rabbit, and sure, the scale might go down, but what are you losing isn't just fat, it is muscle too. That is why you can lose 10 or 15 pounds and still look soft. Muscle is what gives your body shape, definition, strength, and burns calories even at rest. So if you lose it during your fat loss phase, you will slow your metabolism, look smaller but not leaner, and gain fat back faster later. So what is the fix? Let's break it down. To lose fat you need to be in a caloric deficit. No surprises there, but the trick is not too big. A huge deficit will burn muscle. A tiny one won't show results. The sweet spot is around 15 to 25, fewer calories than maintenance. So if your body needs 2,500 calories to maintain, try driving to about 2,000 to 2,150 to start. The small but steady deficit allows fat to come up without signaling your body to break down the muscle tissue for fuel. Want to be more precise? Use a TDEE calculator. Track your food for a few weeks and adjust based on your actual progress. Let's talk protein, your muscle best friend. To preserve muscle while dieting, you need to increase your protein intake, not decrease it.